Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this rainbow text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in rock your body because I don't know what else to type. You can use any font you want. I'm just going to use this one. Add in your shadow opacity to 100% and blurriness to 12%. Go to animation and add the throw out animation for around 1 second. And I'm just going to kind of adjust where I want to put that. You can also change the ratio. I think I'll do 3 by 4. Make sure you add like a black background underneath. Copy and paste that and then make the other one go slow, like place it so it goes on later on, if that makes sense at all. Just going to place this in the middle and I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. And I'm going to type your rock, your, okay, that's a little bit too slow. Rock your body, come on, rock your body. Sorry, that song's been like stuck in my head forever, actually. Thank you very much. And then body. Oops. Just the font size again here. Maybe like that is good. Okay, now for the, I'm gonna move it to the left a little there. For the rainbow overlay, I'm just going to select everything with the black background and create compound clip. Go to the rainbow overlay here. I'm going to place it underneath the actual video. I'm just going to make this bigger. Select your video and then go to blend mode here. Select the darken one, and I'm just going to speed this up a little. Maybe like that much. It all depends on you. So I'm going to then add this edge glow. So type in glow in video effects, add edge glow. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, if you want to put it on top of a video, just export it or create another compound clip and maybe select overlay or some other blend options here. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.